Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparo YouTube channel. You know guys that activating the touch feature, or often referred to as virtual dots on Android, is one of the features that is actually owned by all Android. And how to activate it is also the same between one Android and another. But sometimes there are some places that are just different position. And the function of this Android virtual touch point is provides a touch effect when you make a video either about Android tutorial or other, so it will be make easier to explain it and make it easier for us to operate the smartphone because it will be more clearly visible where we touch. So now I'm gonna show you how to activate the touch feature on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, firstly we have to activate the developer option. Now go to settings menu and then you can go to my phone and scroll down. And then you can click build number for 7 times. Alright, you have to confirm your pattern first. When it's done, now go to system menu on the bottom and developer option is available. Alright, now you can scroll down and scroll down again to find this feature. Alright, here you can enable show tabs, visual feedback for apps like this, and the tab effect will appear like this. Alright, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.